Need to share music, a video, or any sound from your computer during a Cisco Webex meeting. Webex includes a built-in option that lets participants hear your system audio clearly without relying on your microphone. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to share computer audio in Cisco Webex. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign in to your Cisco Webex account and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you're inside the meeting, make sure your microphone and speakers are working properly before sharing your screen. Next, click the Share button located in the meeting controls. A window will appear where you can choose to share your entire screen, a specific application, or an individual browser tab, depending on your device and operating system. Before you begin sharing, enable the option labeled Share Computer Audio, Share Audio, or a similar setting. This ensures that participants hear audio directly from your computer instead of through your microphone, giving them much better sound quality. Now click Share and play your video, presentation, or audio file. Ask another participant to confirm that they can hear the sound clearly. If the audio isn't coming through, stop sharing and make sure the computer audio option is still enabled before trying again. When you're done, click Stop Sharing at the top of the screen to end both screen and audio sharing. You can always repeat the process later, whenever you need to share computer sound during another meeting. Once you know where the setting is, it's very easy to use. And that's how to share computer audio in Cisco Webex in 2026. Whether you're presenting a video, playing music, or demonstrating software with sound, this feature helps everyone hear your content clearly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.